चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
Yeah, good evening, Rahul. You know, finally, here is a government that has taken the step towards true secularism and not the sham variety this country has been practicing on the back of our pseudo-secular constitution. So I congratulate Mr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma. The state has no business running religious schools. Secularism is total separation of religion and state. Our constitution is plural, not secular. There are half a dozen articles and amendments and directive principles in our constitution that make it plural, not secular. In fact, the word secular, as you know, was inserted in our preamble by Indira Gandhi during the emergency. It was absent from Ambedkar's constitution. And it is this pseudo-secularism that has allowed the state to control Hindu temples and run madrasas. In fact, it astonishes me that Assam was running 614 madrasas whose primary job was to impart Islamic education and Sharia diktats. All these schools will now be converted into regular schools. So the pupils will have a choice to either continue there and receive non-religious education like other children, or leave and join private madrasas, to which no one should have any objection, as practicing and imparting religious teachings is a constitutional right. This is a step, Rahul, towards promoting inclusivity among the minority community and should be welcomed by all Indians. After all, if the children were being taught verses like, do not marry your women to polytheist men unless they believe in Islam 2:221, or there is no deity except Allah 40:62, or those who deny the Quran, their necks will be shackled and they'll be dragged in boiling water and in fire filled 40:70-72, or those who disbelieve in our verses, we will drive them into a fire 4:56, or polytheists are the worst of creatures 98:6. If the children were being taught all this, I hope you can see the irony that here is a state accused of being a Hindu Rashtra by Muslims, teaching Muslims that Hindus are the worst of creatures and do not marry Hindus unless they convert. Well, good luck to promoting inclusivity. And finally, madrasas are the hotbed for terrorism. Who said this? Not a Hindu, but a Muslim, Parvez Musharraf.
बहुत मजा आया गुल्लू.
Yes, doctor, go ahead, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, go ahead.
Yes, Rahul, very briefly, I would like to interact with Mr. Atikur Rahman, because, you know, he must understand this, that so many Indians, including me, we have sympathies with people like him. The problem, you see, Rahul, is intractable, because beyond, let us say he exposes the hypocrisy and condemns some verses which are violent. Beyond that lies catharsis, but beyond catharsis lies apostasy, and beyond apostasy lies certain death. Mr. Atikur Rahman is bound. He cannot condemn the holy book. But, you know, he knows this inside, but he dare not say it outside. I understand that. I sympathize with that. But let him not also get away with the fact that he's trying to reinvent the whole religion. I mean, here are not only me who has exposed him, but 1.8 billion Muslims think differently. So let me just end by asking him, does he believe in the Holy Quran verse that there is no deity except Allah 40:62? Does he believe in the Shahada that there is no God but the Allah? Let him say yes or no. There the religious supremacy will come out. Are you a religious supremacist who believes that there is no other God and there is no other deity except Allah? Yes or no, sir?
I got that vibe. Vibe है. थोड़ा सा side के लड़के सब साइक है. छोकरे सब hard, इसलिए तो hype है.
Naveen, the Dalit boy whose Facebook post resulted in large-scale arson and 60 policemen being injured, is a dead man walking. We have seen it all before. From Rajpal, who published Rangira Rasool, to Kamlesh Tiwari, whose death was demanded by millions of Muslims, including Congress MLAs on the floor of the UP Assembly. We know that Gustakh-e Rasool ki ek hi saza, sar tan se juda. And when the decapitated heads ask, is this not intolerance? Their cries will be stifled by the poster boys of secularism, like the journalist Shujat Bukhari, who said, when it comes to the Prophet, I am proud to be intolerant. From Jinnah, who represented Rajpal's assassin Ilmuddin, to Iqbal, who carried his coffin sobbing, to Qureshi, who offered 51 crore bounty for killing Charlie Hebdo journalist, to Asaduddin Owaisi, who exhorted the annihilation of Kamlesh Tiwari, and I quote him, वो जालिम, वो कुत्ता जो उत्तर प्रदेश में बैठकर अल्लाह की शान में गुस्ताखी किया, याद रख, तू आज जेल में है, मगर दुनिया तेरे लिए चूहे की बिल की तरह बन गई इंशाअल्लाह. तेरी गुस्ताखी ने तेरी अपनी बर्बादी को दावत दिया. अनकोट. Normally it is snare the fundamentalists but spare the fundamentals. But Rahul, when it comes to blasphemy, even fundamentalists are spared, because as 3357 commands, Those who abuse Allah and His Messenger, Allah has cursed them in this world and the hereafter and prepared for them a humiliating punishment. But this verse must be hidden. Even quoting it verbatim will get you banned from Twitter like I have been. And while you're at it, please don't tweet 98.6 that says polytheists are the worst of creatures, or 221 that says do not marry the polytheist woman unless she comes to believe in Islam, or 456 those who believe in our verses, those who disbelieve in our verses, we will drive them into a fire, and every time their skins are roasted through, we will replace them with other skins so they may taste the punishment. And thousands of such verses.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
My whole argument is that you cannot make a law which violates the fundamental rights of our constitution, which has been clearly laid down in Keshavanandi Bharati case. It is a clear violation. You cannot, and you are taking this country towards majoritarianism. This was the main topic, and this is what legislation does.
Okay, let me bring
In particular, when we have Mr. Owaisi, and I hope I won't be interrupted, when we are talking of majoritarianism, how is it that 3 of his legislators were arrested for threatening to behead Taslima Nasreen? How is that not majoritarianism? How is it not majoritarianism when lakhs pour onto the street demanding the beheading of Kamlesh Tiwari because he said something that was egregious? Why is that not majoritarianism? When Mr. Owaisi exhorts, and I quote him, वो जालिम, वो कुत्ता जो उत्तर प्रदेश में बैठकर अल्लाह की शान में गुस्ताखी किया, याद रख, तू आज जेल में है मगर दुनिया तेरे लिए चूहे के बिल की तरह बन जाएगी इंशाअल्लाह. तेरी गुस्ताखी ने तेरी अपनी बर्बादी को दावत दी है. And then a few months later, Kamlesh Tiwari was beheaded. How is this not majoritarianism? And the same gentleman, Mr. Owaisi, who talks about saving the persecuted minorities or persecuted people from Pakistan and Afghanistan and Bangladesh, the persecuted also include Ahmadiyas. And Mr. Owaisi doesn't consider Ahmadiyas as Muslims. Yes. How is it that you have one standard for one minority and the other standard for completely other, persecuted people? And Mr. Owaisi exhorts Jai Bhim, Jai Meme. Why is it that when it comes to majoritarianism of the other kind, he is completely silent to more than 50 hate crime Muslim mob attacks on Dalits in the past one? Journalist who has only ever studied how to peddle fake news and propaganda rakes the blackboard of journalism every night with her manicured fingernails. I don't know about Tahir Hussain, but she is definitely a history cheater. Let me just give you a few examples of her quote-unquote journalism. She wanted a referendum on Kashmir and said, and I quote, "I am not advocating Indian rule in Kashmir." She peddled fake news and incendiary theories about the Godhra train burning, peddled the fake church attacks for weeks, saying Christians were under attack when all those attacks weren't communal at all, but actually burglaries or casual vandalism. She is selective to the point of being insane, outraging only on Hindu hate crimes while being totally silent on more than 150 hate crimes perpetrated by Hindus on Hindus by Muslim mobs. She spread fake news about the ABVP activists taking part in anti-CA protests, about a Dalit man murdered
If you dish
for
out,
entering a temple,
you will get
about
as
a
good as
Muslim
you give.
driver tried up
You will get
and
as good
beaten
as you
and
give.
forced
You need to
chant
keep
Jai Shri
quiet
Ram.
and listen.
And here she interrupts me again.
You have to say. You want to talk about me.
She is not going to keep quiet because I think deep down she hates kafirs. I don't know which book she reads every morning that makes her hate kafirs so much.
So sad.
After being repeatedly faded out,
Talk about the issue at
this
hand.
kitty party
Talk about the
journalist
issue at hand.
is not going to be
You're supposed
quiet.
You've got a job somewhere because of the government. You're supposed
Rahul,
to be
I don't know what to
appointed.
do.
Talk about
She
that.
fails to disclose
talk
that
about
she was
that.
appointed
I'm
by
not
Aam Aadmi
interested.
Party
You're not
to a
interested.
Delhi University
I
college
never
governing
tried
body.
you.
Well,
You
She
want to
uses
talk about-
rape analogies
I
freely
feel bad.
as she did for
Calm
Bhansali.
down.
I can go on and on and
Calm
on.
down. Talk about
Suffice
an
it to
issue,
say
yaar.
that
The
she is a
country in
stinging
trouble.
indictment
Talk
on our
about me.
education
You wanna
system.
talk about-
बोलने दे तकलीफ हुआ है बेचारे को बोल हाँ
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया